Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here with the your local guru. He said, Nama Noban. Let's go. I'm here with Nido RSA all the way from.
From England, but
I've been seeing you around, man, making moves on social media. What's happening with the music journey, man? How's it going?
Yo, everything is good. I'm online because I'm on Bakona. Yeah, emotion.
I'm on the task.
Yeah, man, shout out to him because yeah, like
putting you on.
Yes.
So tell me, man, what are we doing up on Namhlanje?
Namhlanje busy and the lapa here. It is all support the brand. You know the vibes, most of the vibes.
Yes. What's the brand? Who are you supporting, Jayab?
You support to go online, like in the same time, So yeah, man.
So let me put you on. We here, Kulas Boys Worldwide put sale. Umiro is here to support the kid, you know. I'm wearing the brand as he's talking right now. As you see, I'm rocking, I'm dripping. I like the drip, man. Shout out.
Yeah, thank you.
So it's in are we supporting? Yeah, but are we performing Namhlanje?
Yeah, yes, of course. It's a performance and yeah, it's gonna be lit. I promise. Yes.
This corner is out on all platforms.
Yes, guys. Man, streaming go man. Please, otherwise he hit there.
Exactly, man's corner.
I don't lie, it's gonna go
Okay.
But it's just a song like Ubonis, but when they can do yeah, boy, it's just a, you know, man.
So go to but it's so personal,
that's why I'm going to back track. Yeah, number one, okay, I'm going to get
Casa Professor. Shout out, man. This is Nido RSA. This is Akanyambiti your local guru. Shout out, man. Appreciate you all the time, bro.